How to add products to Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can add products to Shopify. So firstly, when you guys log into Shopify and when you guys have created your store, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to see. So over here, you guys can see that you have the option to add a product. Simply click on it, or if you guys don't see this option, click on the left side where you guys see products, and then after that you guys can from over here simply click on add your product, and then that is going to take you guys over to the product page. So from over here, you guys can put in a title for your products. For example, if you're selling t-shirt videos, you guys can put in t-shirt white, and then of course you guys can put in a detailed description, and you guys can make the text bold, italic, underline something, add in colors or whatever else. Then you guys can also add in media images of your particular product as well, and also you guys can add in a pricing too. So once you guys do all of that, then you guys can also put in the cost per item. You guys can also put in the inventory, the barcode, and then after that you guys can put in your shop's location if you guys want to. And then at the end you guys can even put in the weight of your product. You guys can put in the customs information. You guys can put in options, and you guys can also do some SEO optimization as well. And then after that you guys can click on save, and your product is gonna be saved. So that is how you guys can add products to Shopify. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, take care, till next time, goodbye.